Hey guys, welcome back to the Daily Special. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make grilled flank steak topped with chimichurri sauce and served with a side of fried plantain or tostones. This steak was divine. I've been looking for a way to make steak because I don't own a grill. Living in a New York City apartment, I don't have access. So I was looking for a way to get that same grilled steak taste but done indoors. And I achieved that by using a cast iron grill pan. Best idea I've ever had. So I'm gonna show you how to make it and I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's hop right on in. We're starting off the chimichurri sauce with 3 cloves of garlic that I'm mashing using a garlic press. You're then going to finely dice 1 small shallot. Sprinkle the garlic with a pinch of kosher salt. I'm using Diamond Crystal brand. Smash the salt into the garlic with the side of your knife to create a paste. Mix the garlic paste and the diced shallots together. Rough chop a small bunch of parsley and a small bunch of cilantro. Place both on top of the shallot and garlic mix and chop everything until it is very fine. This took me about 5 to 7 minutes. Place the herb mixture into a bowl. Add your olive oil, red wine vinegar, salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. Mix until your desired consistency is achieved. Now let's move on to our flank steak. We're going to place the steak into a Ziploc bag along with half of the chimichurri sauce. Make sure there is no air in the bag and seal. Rub the mixture into the steak through the bag and place it into the refrigerator for at least an hour and up to overnight to marinate. While the steak is marinating, you can get started on your fried plantain. Cut off the ends of the plantain and place 2 to 3 shallow cuts down the length of them. Stick your thumb into the cuts and follow along the seam to peel the plantain. Chop the plantains into 1-inch pieces. In a bowl with about 2 cups of water, mix in 2 tablespoons of kosher salt and 4 whole smashed cloves of garlic. Place your plantains inside the water, give it a little stir, and let them sit for 30 minutes to an hour. In a frying pan, pour in 1/2 inch of vegetable or canola oil. The pan should be over medium heat. Dry off your plantains thoroughly and place them into the hot oil. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes per side and place on a plate lined with paper towels. Using a totone press or the bottom of a glass cup, smash the plantains until they're 1/4 of an inch thick. Dip each piece into the water you used to season them earlier for 5 to 10 seconds. Pat off any excess moisture and return them into the hot oil to fry for 1 additional minute. Remove the plantains from the oil and sprinkle with salt immediately. Remove your steak from the refrigerator after it's done marinating and wipe off the chimichurri sauce as best and as much as you can. This will prevent the sauce from burning on the steak once you place it on the grill pan. Season both sides of the steak with salt and pepper and pour on 1½ tablespoons of vegetable oil. Massage everything into the meat. Your cast iron grill pan should be over medium-high heat and lightly oiled. When it's smoking, place the steak onto the grill pan. You just heard that beautiful sizzle, accompanied by the beautiful voice of Ari Lennox. Cook your steak for 7 minutes per side for medium doneness. Make sure you're not moving the steak while it's cooking. I use the food thermometer to make sure my steak read 145 degrees Fahrenheit. This helped me know exactly when to take it off of the heat. I also seared the sides for a few seconds. Let your steak rest for 10 minutes before cutting into it so that the juices don't run out. I am pointing out the grain of the meat and the direction it runs, so you're going to want to cut against that grain. Slice your steak into relatively thin pieces. Arrange your steak on a plate and top with your reserved chimichurri sauce that was not used in the marinade. And there you have it, grilled flank steak topped with chimichurri sauce and served with a side of fried plantain. And that's all I have for you guys. As you can see, I have no leftovers because it was devoured. It was amazing. It had that grilled taste. It was everything. So I hope you enjoyed, and if you make it, please leave a comment below, or you can leave a comment on my blog post, which will be linked with the whole recipe down below. I'll see you guys next time.